I just ordered 4 pairs of shoes from DSW and they have arrived. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and I'm going to try these on and let you see how they look. So if you're curious and interested in what's in this box, then I hope you keep watching. So just gonna go right in. I ordered everything in a size 7.5. That's my standard size. And I'm confident that if everything doesn't work out, I can easily return these or exchange them. And that's what I'm gonna do. So first pair is these Anne Klein shoes. And here is how they look. Wedge heels. Lovely shoes. I'm a fan of Anne Klein. I was confident that I was gonna like them. They're very light. Very light shoes. And this is in black. So let's try these on. They fit perfectly. And I can already tell they're gonna be comfortable. They just feel really, really comfortable. And if you're interested in how I style any of these shoes, then please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked below. And as you can see, there's a tiny little peep in the back. But overall covered and really, really cute and so soft inside and really comfortable. Pair of shoes. It's gonna be these Crown Vintage. Another little sandal type shoe. I'm a fan of Crown Vintage. I really like their shoes. Very flat bottom. But we'll see how it fits. And here these are. I think these are really cute too. Again, very flat on the bottom, but they're comfortable enough. Not too soft. I think my feet have to kind of break in the leather. Because of them being so neutral, they're just like a plain, almost like a barefoot look, especially with brown skin. The strap is pretty good. I have it on the second to last hole there on both sides. And the strap does have a tiny bit of give to it. So there's a little bit of a stretch there. Next, I have a pair of low top Converse. And these are sneakers that I've wanted for a long time. I had a pair of high tops, I think, a couple of years ago I bought, and when I got them home, I wasn't that thrilled about them, and I didn't think I would wear them, but the low tops, I think I would wear a little bit more. So let's give these a try. Just the classic Converse with this stretch on the back of the heel. And of course, because these are supposed to be like this, they have just the knot there, not meant to be tied. Just slide them on, and that's what we're going to do. I think they fit nice. They're definitely my size, and I think they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. These, and they're really comfortable. And here is the last pair, is these sandals. I've never heard of these. The picture looked cute, but these are probably my most questionable shoes. They're more like these sandal things, Hydro Mock. Don't know what that is really, but just decided to give them a try. They're like another version of Crocs. This is how they look. And they had them on the website in this color and then a white color and I think a blue color. I don't know if they have any other options, but I went with this just because I know I do a lot of things in the yard and I wanted to be able to easily clean these and not see a lot of dirt. So I was going to get the white ones, but then I went with these. Okay, here they are. These are really weird looking, but I just still like them. I really like them. Sometimes things are just so odd, different, and unusual looking that they're like weirdly cute. And I think that's what these are. So I was really considering that I would probably return these because I was like, what was I thinking after I made the order? But now I'm like, no, I'm keeping these. Perfect for like, you know, when you're not dressed up. It's like an alternative to flip-flops. I'm kind of out of flip-flops now. And they have a nice little lift inside right here for the arch. This part here is really soft and cushiony. They feel really cushiony inside overall, but especially where that arch is. I think they're great. So I'm pleased with all my purchases. I will try to link everything below if I can so you can check it out on the DSW website. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.